Okay, in our today's topic, we are going to cover the types of crystal. Our today's topic is types of crystal. It is very difficult to remember until unless you don't understand the logic behind how it came. It is very difficult to understand. Okay, so and if you understand it properly, then you will be able to memorize also easily. Everything is interlinked with one with each other. Okay, so from the each and every point of view, you should be able to be perfect. So if one point you miss to understand, you miss to remember, then other points are also will be affected. But if you are perfect with the procedure, perfect with the few points, then everything you need not to remember. Procedure, first 2 points are more important. Okay. So let's take first one, rock salt. First type of salt is rock salt. What is the first type? Rock salt. Okay. Rock salt is NaCl. NaCl type of crystal is called as rock salt structure. The type of NaCl structure is also called as rock salt structure. Okay. First, let us know about the 2 points. I told you procedure and 2 points are very important. Okay. First one I am going to tell you procedure wise. Then easily, if you are able to follow, then it is all other points you will be able to answer properly. Okay. After this, what you have to do, you have to make a proper notes of this in the tabular form. After going through this lecture, if you feel that you are perfect and remembering, then complete the table so that it is going to be a good notes for you to for the objective type. Okay. So let's start with the first rock salt structure, and what you will remember, only first 2 points you will remember. Okay. First point is Cl minus forms FCC lattice. First point what you will remember, Cl minus forms FCC lattice. Cl minus forms FCC lattice. This much only you should remember. Okay. Second thing, sodium positive occupies octahedral voids. Okay. Occupies all octahedral voids. Otherwise, octahedral voids are also called as sometimes edge centers. What centers? Edge centers. Okay. Edge center and body center. So in FCC, you will remember location. Okay. In FCC lattice, edge center will act as a octahedral void. Body center also will act as a octahedral void. Okay. Is it understood? Only these 2 points you will remember. Rest all points are going to be derived from this. Okay. So once you are perfect with the procedure, then it will be easy for you to derive all information in other type of structures also. Okay. First question will be, next point what they may ask is number of Cl minus. Okay. Number of Cl minus. See, FCC lattice. Therefore, what will be the answer? 4. What will be your answer? 4. Because already you know FCC means 8 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2. So you will get 4. Okay. Next, point number D. Point number D will be number of Na plus. Number of Na plus you can derive in two methods. First method and simplest method is number of octahedral voids is equal to number of FCC lattice. So therefore octahedral voids will be equal to FCC lattice. Therefore that is also 4. This is one way of remembering and one way of solving. Another way also there. See, they are available at edge centers. So edge center how many? 8 into 1 by 4. Contribution of edge center is how many? 1 by 4. Okay. So 12 edge centers are there into 1 by 4 plus 1 body center contribution is 1. In that way also you will get 4 only. So both methods are different, but answer will be same. Okay. So number of sodium, number of chlorine. How to find out? Is it understood? One with the lattice and another is with the voids. Okay. Now fifth point is, what is the Z? Okay. Fifth point I will write it here. Is it visible to all of you? Okay, fifth point is number of NaCl. Number of NaCl will be 4. So people are mistaking. This is 4, this is 4. So NaCl will be 8. It is not like that. 4 sodium will combine with 4 chlorine to form 4 NaCl. So based on this, some numericals are coming. Okay, how many unit cells will be made by this rock salt? So for that, what you write, 4 NaCl is equal to 1 unit cell. Is it understood? So up to 5 point clear. It is not complete now. I am going to give some more points. So note down these 5 points. First, location of Cl and sodium only you will remember. Rest all will be derived from based on the first 2 points only. Okay. So noted. Note down them clearly. Okay. Next, after the fifth point, the next sixth point. Fifth point only we have completed. So sixth point. Here, coordination number of Na plus. Coordination number of Na plus. Who can tell me the coordination number of Na plus? I told you to remember first 2 points. Okay. So in the first 2 points only, I clearly mentioned sodium positive occupies octahedral voids. So octahedral voids coordination number is how much? 6. So every lecture is very important. Everything is interlinked. Okay. So by chance, because of some your health reasons or because of some reasons, if you are not able to attend any one of the lecture also, it is going to affect in your future lectures. That's why playlist is provided. By some reason, if you are not able to attend any video lecture, continually attend them so that you will get the better effectiveness. Okay. Now see here in NaCl type, each sodium is with one chlorine. So sodium neighbors are chlorine, chlorine neighbors are sodium. So both are in 1:1. So this neighbors is equal to 6. So its neighbors also is going to be 6 only. Is it understood? Any doubt into this? In 1:1 neighbors, Cn means coordination number. In this chapter, coordination number means very first lecture I have clearly explained nearest number of neighbors. So next point will be coordination number of Cl minus also will be 6 because it is 1:1 crystal. Okay, 1:1 crystal. Therefore, coordination number of Cl minus also going to be how much? 6 only. See, everything is defined only from the what first 2 points are not. So that is the advantage of understanding and clearly following from the beginning. Okay, first rock salt, is it understood? Okay, now I will tell you through the diagram. Okay, so this is NaCl structure, how it looks. How it looks, first of all, what I have to make? I have to make a beautiful, I have to make what? Beautiful FCC lattice. So till now what I have made? I have made only simple cubic lattice. I have made only simple cubic lattice. Okay. Now this is the top face center, bottom face center, left face center, right face center, front face center, back face center. Okay. So these are what? Face centers. Is it clearly visible? Any doubt into this? Okay. So this is the clearly visible. Now this whatever I have made only about what? Chlorine. Now I have to draw sodium. So sodium will be available all edge centers. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6. Likewise, how many edge centers will be there? There will be 12 edge centers. How many edge centers? 12 edge centers. Okay. So 12 edge centers will be occupied along with one body center. So this is also sodium. This is the crystal structure of what? Sodium chloride. This is how it appears. 4 at the bottom, 4 at the top, 4 connecting, 1 at the body center. Okay. Here circle stands for Cl minus, diamond stands for Na plus. Is this picture perfect or not? Okay. So all points from the 2 points and their perfect structure. Rock salt structure, is it clear, all of you? Do you feel any difficulty in understanding? You can ask me. Okay. So shall we go for the next type? Okay, here I am going to start with the next type. After NaCl type, next type name is CSCl type. Okay. In CSCl, what happens? First 2 points only I will tell you. Rest all points I think you will be understanding. In CSCl, Cl minus forms simple cubic lattice. Most of the people, students are confusing. Once they ask CSCl, then they are writing BCC. No, it is not. Okay, so it is not simple BCC. It is Cl minus is simple cubic. CS positive occupies body center, only one place. Only which place? Body center. Is it understood? First point, simple cubic lattice is formed by, so Cl minus forms simple cubic lattice, Cs forms body center. It is not BCC. Okay. So BCC, when you combine total cesium chloride, in terms of the cesium positive only body center, in terms of the Cl minus only, okay, only simple cubic. Total overall structure is going to be, what? Very good. Overall structure is BCC. Okay, but we say BCC with respect to one element. That is wrong. Okay, so that's why I clearly explained in the density derivation. Okay, okay. Next, here, what was the next point? First, number of. Okay, so number of Cl minus is equal to simple cubic. So 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1. Okay. Next, fourth, number of cesium positive is equal to body center, 1 into 1. Okay. Next, fifth point, number of cesium chloride. Number of cesium chloride are how many? Number of cesium chloride are 1 plus 1, 2? No. Number of cesium chloride are also 1. 1 cesium, 1 chlorine will make 1 cesium chloride. Okay. Up to fifth point clear? Now see how speed improved. Understanding for the first time is only difficulty. So if you feel that I am feeling difficult, you are over. If you feel that you are made for difficult things, you are smooth, you are fast. Okay. Very good. Coordination number. Coordination number of what I can find out? Cesium positive. Because it is cubic void. Body center is which void? Cubic void. This also I have told. Okay. So cubic void, therefore coordination number will be how much? 8. And as it is 1:1 crystal. Seventh point also must be clear. Coordination number of Cl minus also will be how much? 8. Okay. So how to derive first 2 points? Remember, rest 5 points right. Okay. So is it understood now? Any doubt into this? Now somewhat difficult, small difficulty will be there in the next, but I think you have got courage to face that difficulty now. Understood? So shall we go for the third type? Okay, now we are going to the third type. I think all of you noted this. Okay, noted this. Sorry, I forgot to draw the diagram also. CSCl type, here circle, very easy diagram. Most easiest diagram to draw is cesium chloride. Okay, so these are the simple cubic formed by the chlorine minus. What I have drawn as of now, I have drawn only chlorine minus. In the body center, it is diamond. Who is the diamond? Cesium. Okay. Circle represents Cl minus. Diamond represents cesium plus. Which plus? Cesium plus. Okay. This is a structure of CSCl type. Structure of what? CSCl type. Is it understood? Now, shall we go for the next topic? Third topic is zinc blend. What is the next topic? Zinc blend. Third topic is zinc blend type. Okay, zinc blend type. So zinc blend type is ZNS. Formula, what is the formula? ZNS. Okay. So there will be small difficulty, but you can understand the difficulty and overcome the difficulty. Okay. Here S2 negative. First point I am telling you, S2 negative forms FCC lattice. Which lattice? FCC lattice. Okay. So there won't be any separate points, location of voids. Okay. So location of voids already I have covered in FCC. In FCC, octahedral voids. Octahedral voids, where they are there? All edge centers. Okay. What centers? Edge centers are octahedral voids, and body center also octahedral void only. Okay. All body center, all edge centers of octahedral of FCC are considered as octahedral void, whereas tetrahedral voids are body centers. You may say already your written sir, body centers of minor cubes. Which cubes? Minor cube and major cube is a term. They are very worried about the IIT Delhi. People are very curious about this word. Minor cube and major cube. What is that minor cube and major cube? I will tell you here. Okay. So location of tetrahedral void and octahedral void, is it understood? What is the location? Octahedral voids are edge centers and body centers. Tetrahedral voids are body centers of minor cube. Okay. So FCC lattice is S2 minus. S2 minus forms FCC lattice. And second one, who is the second one? Second person, 2 plus. Zn 2 plus occupies alternate. Which net? Alternate tetrahedral voids. Okay. See, here alternate word is the most dangerous word in the world. Okay. So, but here it won't affect you much. Understood? So, Zn 2 plus occupies alternate tetrahedral voids. Now, what is our next point? Number of S2 minus is equal to FCC. So, 8 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2. It is equal to how much it is? Tell me how much it is. Number of S2 minus will be 4. Okay. 3 plus 1, 4. So now let us see about the number of Zn2 positive. Alternate means half only. Okay. So half of tetrahedral voids will be 2 into number of lattice points. Half of 2 into number of lattice points. This and this will get cancelled, 4. Okay. Is it understood, all of you? Any problem in understanding, you can ask. Okay. Then fifth point is very important, and they found numericals. Number of ZNS. 4 plus 4, 8. No, it is 4 plus 4 is 4 only. 4 zinc, 4 sulfide will form 4 zinc sulfide. Okay. Any doubt into this? Next, let us see about what? Coordination number. In coordination number, which coordination number you can find out fast? Tell me, coordination number of which you can find out. You can find out Zn2 plus. Okay. So Zn2 plus will be Zn2 plus will be tetrahedral voids. Therefore, coordination number of Zn2 plus will be 4. Okay. And seventh and last point, coordination number of S2 minus also. As it is 1:1 crystal, therefore both coordination number will be same. Okay. Both coordination number will be same. Okay. Here fourth point, once again I am explaining number of Zn2 plus. See, tetrahedral voids are given or not? Tetrahedral voids will be how many? Twice the number of lattice points. Number of lattice points are 4, twice the number of lattice points. Okay, but here one more word also given, alternate, half of the tetrahedral voids. So total tetrahedral voids are 8, out of which alternate 1 by 2 is only occupied. So this two get cancelled and 4. Is it understood all of you? Any doubt here? Are you able to picturize this everything? So here the main problem is understanding the diagram. Okay. So I will try my level best on the board. Okay. So note down these all 7 points. Then we will go for the diagrammatic explanation. Okay. Now this zinc blend structure I am going to explain through the diagram. So all 7 points must be crystal clear to you. So let me draw about the ZNS type. Okay. So in the ZNS type, what should be the first structure? Should be of the S2 negative. Lattice is formed by S2 negative, which is forming lattice S2 negative. So this is the simple cubic lattice. But in the point I told you, what it forms, FCC lattice it is going to form. Okay. What it is going to form, FCC lattice it is going to form. So here top face center, bottom face center, left and right, front and back. Okay. So this is the FCC lattice formed by zinc 2 sorry, sulfur 2 negative. Okay. Okay. Now see here. This because of this face center, there will be each cube is further subdivided into list. See here carefully. While drawing only you can understand, because after drawing it will be very difficult to understand. Okay. So because of this, see each cube is further subdivided into minor cubes. What cubes? Minor cubes. How many minor cubes you are able to visualize now? 8 minor cubes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 minor cube on the top and 4 minor cube at the bottom. Okay. So that minor cubes are having body center. This is minor cube. Its body center is occupied by the Zn2 plus. Okay. So each, but this minor cube is having, then this minor cube will not have. This minor cube will have. Okay. So in the top, these diagonally opposite minor cube body centers. This top minor cube body centers will be occupied by Zn2 plus and here front and back. Okay. These two will be occupied by the Zn2 positive. Okay. So if this is the diagonal at the bottom in this direction. Okay. At the bottom in this direction. Is it understood, Abhishek? Okay. So these are the diagonally opposite. These are the diagonally opposite. So alternate. What is alternate? Is it understood? So this not and this not here. Same way this it is there at the bottom. In this it will not be there. In this direction it will be there. So alternate body centers of minor cubes. Okay. Alternate body center minor cube. Is it understood? So this total it is cube. Now only this part it is minor cube. Only this part minor cube. Only this part minor cube. Only this part minor cube. So total how many minor cubes are there? At the top 4. At the bottom also 4. See from here to here it is minor cube. From here to here it is minor cube. From here to here it is a top minor cube. Like that there will be 4 minor cubes at the bottom, 4 minor cubes at the top. So total how many minor cubes? 8 minor cubes. Out of 8 minor cubes, alternate minor cubes body center will be Zn2 positive. Is it understood? So this is about the zinc blend. Okay. Now next structure we are going to start. Somewhat difficulty will be there in the coordination number. Okay. Rest all is going to be very easy. So every time I teach, there will be problem in the coordination number, but this time you people are smart enough. So you can understand it easily. First one is CaF2. Okay, fluoride structure. What it is called as fluoride structure. Okay. So in the numerical, if they mention fluoride structure, in the numericals, if this mention fluoride structure, all the 7 points I am going to write, that is mentioned in the exam. Okay. So that's why there will be difficulty to solve. So all 7 points must be clear. First, CaF2. Okay. Here, this is the only example. This is the only example where cation forms lattice, anion forms occupies voids. In all other places, what you are finding? Negative ion is forming lattice, positive ion is occupying voids, but here it is opposite. For the first time in the history, what is that? Calcium 2 plus occupies lattice. Okay, so Ca2 plus forms, what it forms? Ca2 plus forms FCC lattice. Ca2 plus forms FCC lattice. Okay. Okay. So calcium 2 plus forms FCC lattice. First thing, is it understood? Okay. Second point, in the second point, F minus occupy all tetrahedral voids. What tetrahedral voids? All tetrahedral voids. Okay. So next, third point. What is the third point? Calcium is forming FCC lattice. F minus occupies tetrahedral voids. So first we will write calcium 2 plus. Number of calcium 2 plus will be same. 8 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2 is equal to 4. Okay. Now next point is about number of F minus. Here all are there. So 2 into lattice points 4, that is 8. Okay, number of F minus, is it understood? 8. Any doubt into this? Now the problem will come. Number of CaF2 if I ask. Okay. So here number of CaF2 will be 4. Question is why 4 and 8 is came in 4? Because each and every calcium associated with 2 fluorine. So likewise, how many CaF2 will be there? So 4 CaF2. So number of CaF2 are how many? 4. How this 4 came, is it understood? Okay. So CaF2 will be how many? 4 CaF2. This is very important. If you understood, then very nice. Okay. Now question is about, as I told you, coordination number is problem. Okay. Okay, here coordination number, best thing to select is which is occupying voids, tetrahedral voids. So coordination number of F minus will be how much? 4. Okay, because it is tetrahedral void. Understood? Why is it understood? Because it is occupying tetrahedral voids. Coordination number is going to be 4. Now the seventh point is coordination number of Ca2 plus. Can anybody guess? Can anybody guess? Coordination number of Ca2 plus will be very good, 8. Why? Because each calcium is with 2 fluorines. So number of neighbors of calcium will be twice of the neighbors of fluorine. Okay. CaF2 is there. This is the 1:2 crystal. In 1:2 crystal, which is available 1, neighbors will be double. So his neighbors are 4. So his neighbors will be, coordination number will be 8. How this 8 came, is it understood? Any doubt into this? But number of fluorine will be more, but coordination number will be less. Number of calcium will be less, number of neighbors will be more. Okay. So that is about the CaF2. Okay. Now we will explain those 7 points with the proper diagram. First, what I should draw here, calcium or fluorine. Till now we were drawing about the negative ions only because they are the one which forms the lattice. Okay. So Here calcium we should draw. What we should draw? We should draw the calcium. Okay. So first calcium, what we will do? We will draw the calcium. Okay. Why it is? The person who is forming the lattice is to be drawn. Then only void will be forming. So this is which lattice it is? What is the type of lattice it is? It is currently only simple cubic. Okay. And here top and bottom, front, left and right, front and back. What is this? Front and back. So now it is proper with respect to calcium 2 plus. This circle represent what? Calcium 2 plus. Now fluorine will be body centers of all subcubes. Body centers of, body centers of all subcubes. Okay. So like this. So here, there it was previously what it was, only alternate, okay, only where it was alternate, but now it will be everywhere. So here, 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 diamond I will draw. So 4 at the top and 4 at the bottom body centers. 4 at what? Bottom body centers, okay. So every place is occupied by now with the F2, F minus. Okay. All minor body center will be occupied by F minus. All FCC lattice will be occupied by calcium plus. Is it understood? Any doubt about this? So is it clear? So fluoride structure we have completed. Now we are going to complete about what? Anti-fluoride structure. What about that? Anti-fluoride. Okay. Fifth point is about anti-fluoride. Fifth one is called as anti-fluoride. Okay. Anti-fluoride structure is Na2O. What is the structure? Na2O. Formula of the anti-fluoride is Na2O. Okay. Now in Na2O again, here crystals is formed by oxygen. Okay. So first point is O2 minus occupy O2 minus occupy FCC lattice. O2 minus occupy FCC lattice. Okay. O2 minus occupy FCC lattice. Now, can you guess with the, now you got so much of response. Sorry, so much of idea. So I want that so much of response should come from you. What should be the location of sodium? Sodium should occupy all TVs. Very good. Okay, sodium should occupy all tetrahedral voids. Understood? Because twice is there. So whenever twice is there, so better to go for tetrahedral voids. Okay. So actually it is not occupy, it forms. Okay. Now what is the next point? Number of O2 minus. So I will not write every time. This is 4. 8 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2. Okay, next fourth point. Number of sodium plus. So tetrahedral all. So 2 into 4. That is equal to 8. What is the answer? Sodium. Number of sodium will be 8. What will be the next point? Next point should be number of Na2O. 8 plus 4 is not 12. Here 8 plus 4 is 4 only. 8 sodium, 4 oxygen can form 4 Na2O. Okay. Any doubt about this? Next, sixth point. So next sixth point is about coordination number. Coordination number of, which one we can write it fast here? Sodium, because it is occupying the voids. So coordination number of sodium plus is 4. What is the coordination number? 4. Okay. Now seventh point will be coordination number. Seventh point I am writing it here. Coordination number of oxygen is how much? Oxygen is how much? 8. Okay, because it is 2:1. It was previously it was 1:2, but here it is 2:1. So its neighbors will be double because 2:1. Is it understood? So this is about the different types of structures. Okay, what we have studied: rock salt, NaCl, zinc blend, fluorite, and anti-fluoride structure. Okay, these are the minimum required structures for mains. Okay, and some more advanced level structures are there, like spinal structure, inverse spinal structure. Okay, so but these are the main thing. At least to pass the mains examination, these are very much required. Okay, so I will expect all of you to make a tabular form. Which form? Tabular form. Okay, so I will suggest the format, then you should complete it after thoroughly going through this. Okay, first what you write: name of, what you will write: name of crystal, like rock salt, CSCl. Then what you will write: location. Okay, you will make two tabs here. How many tabs here? Two tabs. Location of what? Cation and anion. Okay, then coordination number, you will write Z. You will write number of, better to write number of here. Okay, number of cation and anion. Then you will write Z. Okay. Then you will write coordination number. Again, two tabs: cation and anion. Okay. Let us take first example: NaCl. In NaCl, cation is what? Sodium. So you can write as a octahedral voids. Otherwise, edge centers and body center. Okay. Then anions, FCC lattice. Number of both will be 4 and 4. Z also will be 4. Coordination number both 6 and 6. Okay. So like that, what you will do? You will do it like this, like this. If you are drawing this, you will find wonders. You will find only one place Z as a 1. What is that? Cesium chloride is only the crystal which got Z is equal to 1. So I hope all of you will make the multicolored cube table, and if possible you can send it to me. Okay, see you with your good tabular form notes. Okay, if you do the proper notes, maintain the proper notes, it is going to help you only. Okay,